As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen this week. We're doing weekend update outside. So this weekend, as I said before, was spent with a lot of time downtown Bay City here. We went to the festival. They have a big festival for 4th of July, and Bay City does the fireworks huge when we're this time of year. So they do fireworks Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday was the big ones. And yeah, they're actually pretty good this year. I'm gonna show some clips of it later, but this weekend update is gonna be a lot of montages and a lot of video clips. So hopefully you enjoy it. I'm kind of putting a lot of effort into it this time, so there'll be less talking and more video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. See, the thing with the fireworks is that they're great and they bring a lot of people into the city this year. 300,000 I heard. But there's one thing that isn't so great about the 4th of July, and that is the traffic. My God, the traffic. Look at all this. And mind you, this is an hour after the fireworks are over. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. This is going out probably really late. I apologize again. On Monday, I might switch these to Tuesday because I found it's almost impossible to put these out on Monday and edit them on Monday and get them out on time. So they'll probably go out on Tuesdays now, but that's just for your benefit. As you can see, the lighting here does suck, so that's why I did it out in downtown. What do they call this? Mukbang? I might do that now. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Later. We're backstage at one of my girlfriend Gabriella's.
One of my girlfriend. One of them. One of them.
One of her video shoots on her R-rated and inebriated channel. We're making dinner, so I just want to shout her out real quick. Go check her out. I'll link all of her channels down below, and all my other girlfriend's channels I'll link below too.